in the heart of one of the world's most strategically vital maritime corridors. A silent yet high-stakes conflict is unfolding, one that rarely makes headlines but could have global consequences. The Red Sea is home to one of the busiest shipping routes on Earth. Every day, millions of barrels of oil and countless tons of commercial goods pass through these waters. But in recent months, this artery of global trade has become a battlefield. U.S. forces have responded with overwhelming air power. Aircraft like the B-52 and the F-18 Super Hornet have carried out repeated precision strikes against Houthi missile sites, drone launchers, and underground facilities, using GPS-guided JDAM bombs and air-to-ground missiles in complex coordinated operations designed to degrade the rebels' offensive capabilities. The threat? A persistent campaign of attacks launched by Houthi rebels operating from Yemen, a group backed by Iran, increasingly emboldened and well-armed. Using a combination of ballistic missiles, anti-ship cruise missiles, and explosive-laden drones, the Houthis have targeted commercial vessels, U.S. Navy destroyers, and Allied ships attempting to ensure the freedom of navigation through the region. In response, the United States has escalated its military presence, not with words, but with overwhelming air power. And at the center of that response is a fleet of aircraft that represents the very edge of American military capability. Leading the charge is the iconic B-52 Stratofortress, a long-range strategic bomber first introduced during the Cold War. More than 6 decades later, this aircraft continues to play a vital role in modern combat, capable of carrying over 70,000 pounds of weapons. The B-52 can deliver everything from gravity bombs to cruise missiles and precision-guided munitions. In operations over Yemen, B-52s have flown in from forward-deployed bases, releasing GBU-31 JDAM bombs, GPS-guided weapons capable of striking targets with devastating accuracy, even in poor weather or under enemy jamming. These missions are not symbolic. The targets include missile silos, drone manufacturing facilities, command centers, and weapon storage bunkers. The B-52's role in these strikes is to deliver overwhelming firepower at the opening phase of a campaign, breaking down enemy defenses and paving the way for follow-on strikes. Alongside the B-52 is the B-2 Spirit, America's only operational stealth bomber, shrouded in radar-absorbent material and with a low observable flying wing design. The B-2 can enter highly defended airspace undetected and deliver precision strikes with almost surgical accuracy. It is designed for penetrating complex air defense networks, something the Houthis are developing with increasing sophistication using Iranian technology. Though the U.S. rarely confirms specific missions involving the B-2, defense analysts strongly suspect it has been deployed in the region during high-risk strikes, especially when intelligence suggests the presence of high-value targets shielded by radar, anti-aircraft batteries, or camouflaged infrastructure. But strategic bombers are just one part of the equation. The U.S. Navy has also mobilized aircraft carriers to the region, bringing with them one of the most versatile weapons in the American arsenal, the F-18 Super Hornet. These carrier-based fighters are capable of air-to-ground and air-to-air missions, and are often the first aircraft on scene in a developing conflict. Flying from decks of Nimitz-class and Ford-class carriers, Super Hornets have carried out a wide range of missions over Yemen, including strike operations, close air support, and combat air patrols to intercept drones and missiles. Armed with laser-guided bombs, AGM-65 Maverick missiles, and M120 AMRAAMs, the Super Hornets give carrier groups the flexibility to respond to fast-moving threats and sudden escalations. They are also highly survivable, equipped with countermeasure systems, radar jamming pods, and advanced targeting sensors. To ensure the safety and effectiveness of these strike aircraft, the Navy also relies on the EA-18G Growler, a highly specialized electronic warfare platform. Derived from the Super Hornet, the Growler's mission is not to drop bombs, it's to blind and deafen the enemy. The Growler carries jamming pods, electronic attack systems, and radar detection arrays that allow it to suppress enemy air defenses before and during a strike. By jamming enemy radar and communication systems, the EA-18G gives U.S. aircraft the advantage of information superiority, disrupting Houthi early warning systems, and reducing the risk of anti-aircraft retaliation. Its presence is critical in contested airspace, where even a few seconds of confusion can save lives and mission success. Adding to this high-tech fleet is the MQ-9 Reaper, the U.S. military's most advanced unmanned aerial vehicle. Known for its endurance, the Reaper can remain airborne for over 20 hours, patrolling hostile territory and streaming real-time video and intelligence to command centers thousands of miles away. But the MQ-9 is not just a surveillance drone, it's an armed hunter, carrying up to 4 AGM-114 Hellfire missiles. The Reaper can eliminate high-value targets with surgical precision, often without ever being detected. In Yemen, Reapers have been instrumental in locating mobile missile launchers, vehicle convoys, and underground tunnels used by the Houthis to move weapons and fighters. Once a target is confirmed, the Reaper can strike instantly, often before the enemy even knows it's been tracked. Together, this combination of bombers, fighters, electronic warfare jets, and unmanned aircraft forms a multi-layered air campaign, one designed not only to retaliate but to dominate. Every mission flown over Yemen, every strike launched from the Red Sea, is part of a broader strategy to deter aggression, to protect international waters, and to signal strength in a region increasingly shaped by proxy conflicts and shifting alliances. While the Houthis continue to threaten stability in the region, they now face the full weight of U.S. air power, a force that is precise, relentless, and unmatched. Thank you for watching. If you found this breakdown interesting, consider subscribing for more in-depth military analysis and updates on global defense. Stay informed, and see you in the next video.